Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's part 2 of a fidget vending machine. So let's go. Okay, I think I want 2 poppets. So the poppets are 50 cents. So let's grab $1. So 50, 75, and $1. Ooh, I can also buy 5 tokens for 25 cents, and 1 token counts as 50 cents. Well, 25 cents. Okay, so I put $1.25. I'm gonna buy one of the tokens, or I guess 5 tokens, and 2 poppets. Whoa, what just fell? I don't know. And if you know, last time I got all these fidgets, isn't it like, it's literally like I have a fidget wonderland starting. Whoa, are you guys okay? You guys kind of fell. Okay, well, let's see. 2 poppets. I want 2 really pretty ones. Yes, I got a heart poppet. I think this is going to be all the poppets I want. And a rainbow square poppet. And where are my tokens? I'll count them out and try finding them. Okay, so guys, I'm going to buy some mystery fidgets. So I have 5 tokens. And they're all 50 cents. So I will get a lot of fidgets. First token, second token, third token I have. Okay, I'll put the other 2 in. Okay guys, let's press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's split. Whoa, I got a lot of stuff. There's more? I think that's all. Okay, so now, that's all like that. Okay, let's get everything I got. I got this. I'm just gonna pull everything out. Whew, I got a lot. Whoa, the vending machine's going crazy. I think it's how much I bought. I think I bought a little too much, guys. Maybe I should have done it like one at a time. I even got a simple dimple. Oh, that's sad. They didn't have real ones. What if they eventually do have real ones? That would be cool, wouldn't it? Okay. So, what should I buy next? I think I'm gonna buy. Ooh, I already have so much. Guys, I should apply for a job. Okay, so since I have so many fidgets, I think I'm gonna actually get my own machine. So anyone who wants to come, they can come buy it. So okay, guys. I just bought a new machine. So, if anyone wants anything, they just press a button. And the click of a button, they get that. Ooh, okay. So I guess this is the back of the vending machine. Okay. So apparently, okay guys, we're not actually supposed to talk back here, but I have to. I'm talking to you guys. Who couldn't talk to you guys, right? You guys are the best. Okay. So down here is where the prize lands. And up here is where the prize goes. Okay, so those people ordered rings. They ordered 1 ring. Actually, oh, they just pressed it twice. They ordered 2 rings. Then, now we just wait for the money to come out from the person. Hey, there's someone behind there. Oh my gosh, guys, I think someone heard me talking. Okay, so I'm just gonna be silent, guys. Oh, the money's going in. Oh, they ordered 2 rings, and the rings are 50 cents if they order 2. Okay, guys, so let's put them up there. I just need to wait for them to twist it. Yeah, I finally got some rings. Okay, guys, I just got some rings. So, let's see who comes up next. Oh, sensor. Let's empty out these change. Oh, quiet. That'll be loud. Okay, I think I'm gonna order a poppet. Okay, guys, I'm ordering a mystery poppet. Okay, poppets are 50 cents. I think I'm only going to order one. Ooh, I do have a token, so I can get pretty much a free poppet. Okay, let's put my token in. So, guys, yeah, guys, I think they're a YouTuber. I'm so excited to see what they want to buy. Okay, so they said we're not a puppet. Looks like they're having a trouble putting in the change. I'm just waiting. Okay, so they finally got in their token. Okay, now let's wait for it to be heavy. So guys, I'm gonna place it on. Oh, it's heavy. Okay. Yay! Oh, where's my puppet? Okay, guys, I need to. Oh, there it is. Yay! That's so cool. Okay, well, guys, that was the end of that trip. Okay, guys, so a YouTuber even ordered something. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Okay. Hey guys, okay, so guys, someone's talking across the street to, I think they're friends. Hey guys, there's that little vending machine over there. Maybe you should try it. Oh, okay. Okay, I want. Ooh, do they have kitty ears? They have kitty ears. Guys, I got some kitty ears right here. Okay, kitty ears are 75 cents flat. Let me change it. Oh, whoa, that's cool. They just changed. Okay, it's 25 cents. Okay, let's just wait. Okay, guys, let's place it on there. So it's up there now. I just put it up there. Now let's just wait for them to turn it. Okay, guys, they turned it. Oh, okay. I just got my poppet. Wait, I thought they were. Oh wait, no, I didn't get a poppet. Silly me. I got kitty ears. I'm silly. Okay. Ooh, okay. Next, ooh, I should order a puppet. Ooh, that would be so cool. I've never had a puppet. Okay, puppets are 50 cents. Okay, so 50 cents. That's what I need. Okay, got 25 cents in. Now all I need is one more quarter. Just need to look in my purse. Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay, it's time for me to twist it. Ooh, there's my puppet. Yay! Okay, I think I'm done at this place. Okay, guys, that worked very well. Ooh, someone ordered 3 rings. Oh, they're not talking. It's weird. Okay, let's put 3 rings. That will be $1 for them. Let's just wait for them to put up $1. Oh, okay, let's just wait. I don't hear any change. I just hear something scratching. Oh, they have tokens. Oh, that one got stuck. Oh no, not again. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I lost that machine I had. All the coins got stuck. That one got stuck too. Guys. Okay, it went in. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm going this way. Okay, so I twist this, it says. Yay, I got my rings. Okay, guys, so those people just ordered rings. Okay, so I don't see another order. Oh my gosh, another order. That's weird. That's so creepy. Oh, before we do that order, guys, we just need to take this out. And also subscribe and like so I don't get caught. Okay, I think I'm gonna buy a bath bomb. Bath bombs are 50 cents. Okay, I got 50 cents in. Now, okay, now let's twist the machine and get that thing. Okay, let's grab my bathroom. Oh, I can't grab it. Oh, that's so weird. I had just it rolled out. That's so cool. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, give me a like and smash that bell. And if you liked me working here, that was pretty cool. But I'm probably gonna stick to buying stuff because it's easier. Well, bye.